I am Dr. Saloni Nandan. Today we are going to learn the use of before and ago. But before that, please subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Before and ago both are prepositions of time. They both are used to tell the time. Before is used to tell the time that is earlier than some time or some event. Something that has happened in the past earlier than some time or some event. For example, I graduated before him. It is earlier than he graduated. Let us look at another example. I went to America before Trump became the president. So, I went to America before Trump became the president, earlier than Trump became the president. Let's look at another example. He went to school before the holidays. So, when did he go to school? Earlier than the holidays. Another example. I have seen this play before. Here the time is not specific. So, before is used for earlier than some time or some event. Now let us look at ago. Ago is used for specific time in the past, calculated back from present or today. Example, I graduated 2 years ago. Specific time in the past, that is 2 years from today. Another example, I went to America 3 years ago. When did I go to America? 3 years ago. Specific time in the past, that is 3 years from today. Let us look at another example. He went to school 2 days ago. That is specific time in the past, 2 days from today. Another example is, I saw this play 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks is specific time in the past from today. I hope you have understood the difference between the use of before and ago. If yes, please like and subscribe to my channel on YouTube. You can also watch other videos which are related to the same topic on my YouTube channel.